Hi, this is Jackie. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite ESL Icebreaker activities. It's the toilet paper icebreaker. So bring in a roll of toilet paper, or you can also bring in some candies. And just for sanitation purposes, I prefer wrapped candies as opposed to just like random loose jelly beans or whatever. Anyway, bring those in and then kind of just make it like a little bit suspicious. So students are kind of like, what's with the toilet paper? What's with the candies? But don't tell them any information. Just tell students that they need to take, say, between 4 and 7 pieces of toilet paper or candies, or if you have like a small class, you could even do more, say like between 6 and 10 pieces of these things. And then put students into small groups if you have a big class. So I find that groups of maybe like 6 people work quite well. If you have a class, say, of like up to 10 students, then no problem. You could just do this all together. So the way it works is that students will go like sit in a circle, and the first student will take a piece of their toilet paper or a candy and put it into the middle, and then they will say one fact about themselves. So, for example, I have a brother, or my hometown is Edmonton, or my favorite hobby is soccer, something like that. And then one other student in that group, whoever is fastest, they can ask a follow up question. So, for example, if I said my favorite hobby is soccer, someone else in the group might take their piece of paper, put it down quickly, and say, how often do you play? And then they get to do that. So when each person is out of papers, out of the squares of toilet paper or out of candies, they are out of the round. So I like to do the follow up questions because it gives students an incentive to actually listen. And if they ask good follow up questions, they don't actually have to say that many things about themselves, which some students are kind of invested in doing, and they'd rather just ask questions about other people instead of just sharing facts about themselves. So that is my toilet paper icebreaker. It's very simple, it requires no preparation. And yeah, very few materials because you can just grab a roll of toilet paper out of the bathroom at your school, most likely. Okay, so that is it. Please be sure to check out my book, 39 ESL Icebreakers. I'll put the link up there. And yeah, hit like, subscribe, and catch you next time.